Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another powerful, and when I say powerful, I mean powerful weight loss tea. Now listen, I've been telling you guys about cumin, and cumin is going to do it for you, okay? So here's another wonderful, powerful recipe that you can use for losing that weight, reducing that belly fat, I mean slimming down, flushing that extra water out of your body. This is going to slim you down quick, okay? Now, we're going to be working again with our cumin seeds, all right? Make sure you have this in your cabinets. This is going to do you well. You can drink this every day, all right? Now, we're also going to be working with some ginger. Fresh ginger root. I don't want to hear y'all in the comment section asking me about ginger powder because you don't want to get the fresh root. You can use the powder, but yeah, but fresh is always best, y'all, all right? But if you don't have it, you can also substitute it with the ginger powder. You can also use the cumin seed powder or the grounded cumin, all right? We're also going to be working with the lemon today. Lemon or lime is good, as well as mint leaves, okay? Now, this is the loose mint leaves that I have inside this container. If you have the actual fresh mint, that's good too. So for those of you who don't have any mint and you have the mint tea bags, use those. That is just as good, okay? Now we're going to be working with 7 mLs of water, and we're going to put that in a pan to start boiling. So I have my pot already on the stove. Okay, so we're going to warm that water up. And we're also going to be working with some honey, okay? Because you know some of you like it sweet. We're going to have a little sweet to this. Not going to be too sweet, but it's going to be sweet. Now to start off, of course, we're going to do our cumin, okay? So we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of our cumin seeds. And if you have the powder, 1 teaspoon of our cumin powder. Okay? Put that in your water, because we're going to boil all of this together. Now we're only going to be using a piece of this ginger, all right? So let me break this and skin it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is just as good. Now this is maybe about 2 inches, a little bit more than 2 inches of our ginger root. So what you're going to do with that is you're going to slice it up. Now if you got something to crush it down, that's just as good. So we're going to do this into pieces because we really want all the juices from the fresh. This is why I say fresh is best. We want all the nice natural juices that comes from our ginger root. Okay? So we're going to cut that up into pieces. If you have a masher, that's just as good because we want to extract as much of this wonderful, flavorful juice. Okay? Now, after you do that, we're going to also put that into our pan. Okay. Next, we're going to do the same for our lemon. Now, if you have lime, lime is okay too. All right. So we're going to be cooking this. We're going to boil this. So make sure you scrub your lemons. It's really good. All right. Get all of that. Get all of whatever impurities might be on there. Scrub it really good. And we're going to slice this nice and thin. Now, being that these lemons are a little bit old, it got a lot of juice in it. So I'm just going to squeeze some of that inside the pan. And then I'm going to continue cutting it into pieces because a lot of the the potency of this drink is coming from the skin. All right. So we're going to put that in there. I'm going to squeeze this in there as well. Don't mind me using my hands because I'll be the one drinking this. So I don't want to hear y'all, oh, she's using her hands. Okay. When it's me, it's okay. Okay. Now, lastly, in our water, we're going to add at least, now I want mine nice and minty. So I'm going to put like 2 heaping teaspoons of my mint leaves into our water, into the water. Okay. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Now we're going to boil this for at least 10 minutes. So make sure you mix your stuff up into, mix your ingredients into your pan. And we're going to do this for 10 minutes until it's nice and hot. Alright? And I'll be back once it's boiled. I forgot to mention, if you're working with tea bags, you can use at least 2 tea bags. Break them open and pour the ingredients into your pan. Boil it all together, okay? Because we're going to strain this, so you can boil it all together in your pan of water. Alright, I'll be back once this is finished. And our tea is ready. Okay, so just 10 minutes is all you need. So I'm going to let this cool down a little bit before I continue. Okay, you guys, so we are back. Now, I let my pan cool for like 5 minutes. And now I'm just pouring in my ingredients, my water into my cup. I'm straining it out. Okay. It smells really, it smells really good. Okay. And the reason I let it cool off for like 5 minutes is because now I got to put in my honey, okay? And it's not good to put honey in your teas when it's really, really hot. Okay. So now we're just going to stir that up really good, mix it in very well. Now what you just created is a very powerful tea that you drink every morning. Preferably in the morning before breakfast, like 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. And once you do this, now let me just say this much. You're going to be going back and forth to the bathroom. It's going to start activating your kidneys. You're going to want to pee a lot. And it's going to flush out all of the toxins. It's flushing toxins. As you're cleansing your kidney, you're flushing out toxins. So just know that much. You will be using the bathroom a lot. And you may even, go number 2. Because whatever's in your body is going to come out. You drink this every single day, and in 15 days you're going to be 25 pounds lighter. This is powerful. Cumin is definitely a winner when it comes to weight loss, okay? And I'm telling you, you're going to see results with this. You are definitely going to see results with this. This is a powerful weight loss tea, and it's going to reduce the belly weight. It's going to reduce and burn fat in your body, okay? And you're going to be 25 pounds lighter in 15 days. What you do after you drink this is you continue your day eating healthy meals. I keep getting questions asking, what do you eat? Eat healthy. Try to limit the meats in your diet. If you do eat meats, have lean meats, okay? Lean meats is best. And also salads, fruits, water, and you can also drink other detox teas throughout the day as well. You can also do smoothies, eat wonderful snacks, healthy snacks, and you're gonna see weight loss. If you exercise, that's even better, even more weight loss, okay? So with the tea alone, in 15 days, all right, 1 day over 2 weeks, you will be 25 pounds lighter. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. If you want to see more of these types of tea videos where you're going to be losing a lot of that water weight, a lot of that body fat, thumbs up this video, okay? Thumbs it up to let me know that you want to see more of these wonderful teas. I got more coming your way, all right? And I've been hearing that some of you have not been getting my notifications on these videos. So for those of you just bumping back into me, turn off your notification bell. then turn it back on and select all. This way you're refreshing that, and you will definitely start receiving all of my wonderful videos as I put them out, okay? So thank you again for joining me, you guys, and don't forget, I will see you in the next video. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!